Verifying your account on ING is a straightforward process that ensures your identity and secures your banking activities. Follow these steps to complete your account verification. Step 1. Access the ING website or app. Visit the official ING website or open the ING mobile app on your device. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, look for the account settings or security section in the menu. There should be an option labeled account verification or similar. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for verification. This may include personal details, identification documents, or answering security questions. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the information you have provided to ensure it is accurate. Once confirmed, submit your verification request. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding the status of your verification. After completing these steps, your account verification process should be underway. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ING customer support for assistance.